Let's do this another way. Let's stop thinking that our voice don't matter.
That's right.
And vote.
There you go.
Not just vote for the president, vote for the preliminaries, vote for everybody. Educate yourself. Educate yourself. Don't wait for somebody else to tell you who's who. Educate yourself and know who you're voting for. Do this peacefully. Please. My brother moved here from Houston, and I used to talk to him on the phone. He loved it here. He started driving truck. He was good. So I highly doubt. No, I don't know. I know he would not want y'all to be doing this. Peace on the left.
Justice on the right.
Y'all forgot already?
Justice on the right.
Peace on the left.
Justice on the right. Peace on the left. Justice on the right. Peace on the left. Justice on the right. Peace on the left. Justice on the right.
Where the signs at? Where the signs at? Peace on the left. Justice on the right. Right. That's what I'm saying. That's what I want to see.